Okay, let's get started modifying our theme in this PowerPoint document. So we're going to come up to Design on the ribbon, and we'll click the Design tab. We've seen this before in our other tutorials. There are no variants, but we still need to come to the More drop-down button right here with the variant options. So click on the More button, and remember that an Office theme has 4 different categories of things that you can customize: the colors, the fonts, the effects, and then background styles. In this video, we'll take a look at changing the colors. Now, when I slide over to colors, one of the things you'll see right off is that there are several pre-built combinations of colors. These are all color sets that are designed to work together well, and we may want to use some of them, and you could just choose one of these and just go with it and be done. But we want to come down to customize colors, because what I want to do in this customization is I want to sort of keep what we have here. I just want to darken it some. So I'll come back now into the More button, into Colors, and come down to Customize Colors, and I will click this to select it. I'm going to move this right over here so I can see the effects that these colors will have here. I really don't want to change this. In other words, I don't want to make everything that's brown turn red or anything. What I want to do is just sort of darken the main colors, the main accent colors. Now, if I wanted to, I could come up and work on the colors up here too. The text background, for example, under Dark 1, it's already set to show that this brown background one is the darkest color. I could come down to More Colors, and then the way we'll darken these is simply to pull the arrow down beside this so that we increase the amount of shading. In other words, we increase the amount of black that gets mixed in with that color. And those numbers will automatically change. We don't have to worry about what the exact numbers are at this point. We're just trying to change the theme. So we darken this and click OK, and that will change that one. You're not going to see any difference here until we save this. I'm going to come down now to the accent colors. Let's work our way through all 6 of the accent colors. Mark these, and what I want to do is just darken each of them just a little bit. So I'm just going to work my way through here. Now we've come down to the hyperlink, and I want to change this one too. Even though the color here, orange, goes well with this background, I just want to show you that if we were to have a hyperlink, I would prefer that to be perhaps blue, and maybe the followed link then to maybe be a purple. Now I want to give this set of customized colors a name, and I'm just going to call this My Colors. And I'm going to click Save. And when I do, you may have noticed that the colors here all tended to change just a bit. If you didn't see it, roll back the video and just watch, and you'll see these colors all change just slightly. Now, if I come back up to Variants again and click here, then if I come to Colors, one of the things you notice now is that that theme, that new set of colors for this theme, is added right up here at the top. These are custom colors. If I were to come back down and customize this even more, I could take this set that we have right here, and let's make some really dramatic changes, like change this totally to red, and this totally to who knows what, and this one doesn't really matter, and we'll just make several crazy changes in here, and we are setting up now a new set of colors, and this time we'll save this as My Colors 2, and then we'll save it. Now you notice the changes occurred in the document, and some of those don't look bad. Now we'll come back up here to the colors, and notice now that I have both the original My Colors and then this My Colors 2 that I just created. Now, if I decided I really didn't want this My Colors 2, I can just right click and select to delete this in order to get rid of that second. have to click yes to delete that. And come back in, and I see now that I just have my colors. Whenever you create a customized set of colors, one of the things you need to do is to be sure and give this a name. Give it a name so that you'll know what it is. And then you'll click Save. And then you'll always come up here and find it under Colors. And whenever you go from one document to another, then those set of colors will be there for you in those other documents.